with Amadeus cruise ship. I would like to introduce to all of you our ship crew character, headed with your cruise captains with Mary Escarausos, with our cruise attendant, Amor Daniega, our cruise cook, Adrian de la Peña, the boatswain, Diane Junicio, the lookout attendant, Edmark Potostades, our chief mate, Zaral Balatico, the cruise engineer, and James Carpipino, our cruise radio man.
Attention passenger. Please advise that the online travel will commence at this time. All directional staff, please proceed to your station.
Room attendants, please ensure that the information we will discuss is set on.
Our online travel is about to begin. Thank you for your attention.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the beautiful Amadeus cruise ship.
In 15 minutes time, we will conduct a mandatory passenger tour in compliance with us attendants. All guests are required to proceed to their muster station once they hear the general alarm signal for our discussion.
Your muster station is indicated on your screen and stop. We'll also be ready to assist you. All services on board will be closed. The order to facilitate the mandatory knowledge to our passenger discussion, and thank you.
Description station located deck 1 in our first reporter. Forward.
Provinces Station is located in deck 2 at the second part.
The legacies, tourist spot, and the language and the religion. Station located deck 3, 4, 5 at the last part.
Regiment speaking, we are now arrived in the Galileo port.
This is with Mary Escarausos, your cruise captain, and now we are here to the beautiful places in Mimaropa, Philippines. Guests can proceed to the video discussion at this time. Once again, enjoy and welcome to the Galileo Port, Region 4B. All you need is Mimaropa. Mimaropa, usually capitalized in official government documents, formerly known as Southwestern Tagalog Region, is an administrative region in the Philippines. It was also formally designated as Region 4B until 2016.
Hello, great day to everyone. I am Edmark Potostades. I will discuss the some provinces in Region 4B or Southern Tagalog, Mimaropa, Marinduque. Marinduque is an island province in the Luzon Island group of the Philippines. East of Mindoro, south of Quezon Province, and north of Romblon. The province, which is shaped like a heart, is often called the Heart of the Philippines and is the home of Marianas Festival held during Holy Week. Occidental Mindoro. Occidental Mindoro is situated along the western part of the island, located south of the province of Batangas in southern Luzon. Its terrain is characterized by successive mountain ranges, valleys, and elongated plateaus with rolling lands along the coastal region.
Oriental Mindoro is the the eastern portion of the island, which is about 140 km southwest of Manila. It is bounded by the Verdes Island Passage in the north, Marinduque, Concepcion, Romblon, and Tablas Strait in the east, Semirara and Antique in the south, and Occidental Mindoro in the west. Palawan. Palawan Island, the southwesternmost large island of the Philippines. Palawan long irregular coastline is fringed with coral reef and some 1,800 smaller islands and islets lie near Palawan. The main island groups are the Calamian in the north, the Dongran in the northeast, and the Balabac Bugsok south. Romblon. Romblon is strategically situated at the center of the Philippines archipelago. It is composed of three major islands, Tablas, Sibuyan, and Romblon, and 17 smaller islands. Romblon is surrounded by deep water, is bounded by Masbate in the east, Mindoro in the west, and Marinduque in the north, and Panay in the south.
Here are the festivals of province of Mindoro. The first festival of Mindoro is the Calap Festival. Calap Festival in Calapan, Oriental Mindoro. The name of the festival comes from the city name Calapan. The Tagalog word Calap can mean both to gather wood or branch. Some people believe that in the distance part in Was area, when communities came together, went out gathering wood. The Calap Festival is on 21st of March. Calap is used to mean a gathering together of the city's history and culture in one event, falling of the city's founding anniversary. The next festival is Mahal Tana Festival. Mahal Tana Festival is celebrated also in Calapan City at the second week of November. Mahal Tana celebrates the founding of Oriental Mindoro and how religion, culture, and tradition are an integral to the lives of the people in Mindoro. The festival name honors four of the Oriental Mindoro's key icons. Each give that start of its name to form the festival's name. Ma is for Mangyan, the popular tribes community in the island of Mindoro. The Hal is for Mount Halcon, the highest mountain of Mindoro Island. Next is Ta for Tamarao. Tamarao, or the Mindoro dwarf buffalo that found only in Mindoro. And lastly, Na for Now Jan Lake. Next is Sulyong Festival. Sulyong Festival in Bungabong, Oriental Mindoro. This festival honors to the two main products of Oriental Mindoro. The word Suli is called bananas, and for Nyog is called coconut, and that's why they combined as Sulyong. It also honors to the patron Saint Joseph and features street dancing, which reflects the Fernie customs and tradition in town. Next is the Dugoy Festival. Dugoy Festival is an annual festival in the municipality of Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro. It is celebrated during the town fiesta and through street parades and street dancing, which features for the Mangyan culture. This festival main concept is to promote and celebrate the Dugoy spirit of camaraderie among people of the different culture and harmonious relationship with the nature of Sablayeños. And lastly, Saknungan Festival. Saknungan is a Mangyan word, is literally mean Bayanihan. This is the spirit of cooperation and unity at work, which practiced by the people of Mindoro in their everyday activities, especially during planting and harvesting season of the palay, the major agricultural product of Occidental Mindoro. Saknungan Festival celebrates every fourth week of April in San Jose, Occidental Mindoro. Here are the festivals of province of Marinduque. The first festival is the Mariones Festival. Mariones Festival is the Lenten festival held annually on Holy Week on the island of Marinduque. The Mariones are men and women in costumes and mass replicating the garb of biblical imperial and royal Roman soldiers as interpreted by locals. Mariones Festival starts on the Palm Sunday of the Holy Week and ends on Easter Sunday. The participants use Morion masks to depict the Roman soldiers and the Syrian mercenaries within the story of the Passion of the Christ. The mask named Morion helmet by 16th and 17th centuries. Gasang-Gasang Festival. This festival celebrates in Gasan, Marinduque at Easter Sunday. This festival is the joyous celebration, faith, and thanksgiving for the newly risen Christ.
Good day, guests. I hope you are having fun with us, Amadeus Cruise Ship. Again, I am your chef mate, Amor.
And I'm your lookout Dayan, and we are here to show you delicious delicacies in Mimaropa.
Let's begin with the dishes in Oriental Mindoro. First in list is ginataang kuhol. Ginataang kuhol is a dish that can be enjoyed either as a main dish along with warm rice or as an appetizer. Next is suman sa lihiya. This type of kakanin is made from malagkit and this is best paired with latik and wrapped with banana leaf. Next dish is tuyo or dried fish. Fresh fish rapidly deteriorates unless some ways can be found to preserve it. Drying is a method of food preservation that works with removing water from the food. Next dish is banana chips. Banana chips from Oriental Mindoro is a healthy snack made from saba banana, sugar, oil, salt, and calamansi. Let us now go to Occidental Mindoro. First is adobong pugita. Adobong pugita is a Filipino specialty originating from Occidental Mindoro. This adobo dish is made with mature octopus that is cooked in a combination of vinegar and soy sauce. Next dish is ginataang puso ng saging. Ginataang puso ng saging is made with banana heart, diced pork, and chili peppers in a spicy coconut sauce. It's creamy, tasty, and perfect side dish for grilled meat or fish. Rice and corn are major resources of Mindoro. Let us now go to Marinduque. Next dish is bibingkang lalaki. Instead of yeast, the bibingkang lalaki is made with tuba or the coconut wine, which makes the inside of bibingka moist and pudding-like.
Manakla. Manakla is the native Marinduque phrase for cry fish, and it's a wide range of cry fish, particularly standard in Marinduque. We have also Kalamay Dampa. Kalamay Dampa is the flavored Marinduque number of the extra recognized Kalamay Hati. Delicacies in Romblon. Boknoy Siopaw in Romblon. Boknoy is a type of siopaw that is currently only found in Romblon Island. Next is Gayabon. Gayabon is a Filipino dish found in Romblon prepared with fresh taro leaves cooked in coconut milk. We have also Inaslum.
Inaslom is a healthy vegetable soup that makes use of any available fresh vegetables. Inaslom means sour, but it is not sour like what the name.
Delicacies in Palawan.
We have danggit in Palawan. Danggit means salted and sun-dried rabbit fish. We also have crocodile sisig. Crocodile sisig exotic dishes that tourists love to try. This is like the normal sisig but in Palawan they use crocodile. And the last one is tabilok. Tamilok is also exotic food. Is a special woodworm mollusk sa beach.
Welcome to Mimaropa. Now, let's proceed to the some tourist attraction here in Mimaropa. Upper Reef is recognized as the second largest connecting coral reef in the world. Inasakan White Beach offers the white powdery sand and crystal clear water that truly attract tourists. White Island is an ideal destination for swimming, snorkeling, and many more. Sabang Beach is best known for its amazing dive site and awesome nightlife. White Beach is popular for its stretched white sand beach resort and restaurant can be found. Lipanan Beach is relaxing tropical jungle. Toy White Beach offers its beautiful white sand, clear water, and awesome scenery. Paul is popular for its cool fresh water. Cresta de Gallo is known for its picturesque view, powdered white sand, and intercourse water. Marble Shopping Center is one of the Roblan's best. The Oak Bay Marine is composed of 100 different marine species. Puerto Galera, Palawan. Puerto Princesa, one of the longest underground river in the Philippines. El Nido and Coron, sunken Japanese shipwrecks, as main transport into the dive site in Coron, Palawan.
Marinduque, Bagumbungan Cave in the Sitio Puti Barangay, San Isidro, Santa Cruz, Marinduque is for sure one of the best caves here in the Philippines. It is 1.9 kilometer long cave and some parts are still unexplored. Mount Malindig. The mountain is the largest on the island of Marinduque and the most popular climb and hike on the island for mountaineers and alike. Known for its unique environmental biodiversity, he came upon a girl sitting down, searching rice. He asked her what was the name of this place. Mountain Malindig. Padua Falls. The Padua Falls are located in Pokpok, Mogpog, Marinduque. They are a series of gently cascading falls that settles into a 15-foot fall. Hunt for nature forms, bathtub, downstream, and enjoy jacuzzi-like effect. It is an ideal place for picnic or camping. From Occidental Mindoro, Regari Beach. Regari Beach is less crowded and quiet beach in Occidental Mindoro. It is composed of a long stretch of fine sand beach within a rise of one stream. There is a private resort in the beach called the Ragara Beach Resort, which is a simple resort offering good accommodation and delicious meals. is a wide and long stretch of open sand beach. It is another less crowded, relaxing, white beach just like nearest beach. Talipanan Beach, actually both can be crossed by walking on the shore and the passing through the boulders that separated them possible during low tide. From Palawan Island, Shimizu Island is most commonly visited by people who choose tours for El Nido Island Hoping Tour. It is considered one of the top places to visit in El Nido. Shimizu Island is ideal for snorkeling with its crystal clear waters. The island is surrounded by colorful coral reefs and vibrant tropical fishes. And this heart-shaped coral is the biggest coral in Shimizu Island in Palawan.
The language in Region 4B, Mimaropa. The language in Region 4B, Mimaropa is Tagalog. Tagalog is widely spoken in the region. In Marinduque, Tagalog is spoken with a unique blend of Bicolano and Visayan. In Mindoro, they have various languages are spoken by Mangyan. They have Iraya, Alangan, Tabuid, Tadjawan, and Buhin. The latter is the Visayan language with fewer than 3 speakers. In Romblon, being near the Visayas, they has 3 main languages that belong to Visayan language family, which is Romblomanon, Asi, and Onhan. Palawan has its own set of native language such as Cuyanon, Calamian Tagbanwa, and Palawano. They are spoken by significant numbers of people. Religion in Region 4B, Mimaropa. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, majority of the population in Mimaropa is Roman Catholic with 75.3% as reported in 2015. The next largest religious is the Evangelicals with 4.6% to be followed by Iglesia ni Cristo with 3.7% and the Islam with the 3.3% of the total population.
Once again, passenger, thank you for choosing Amadeus Cruise Ship.